And with me now is Florida Congressman Ron DeSantis, House Oversight Committee. He joins us from Florida. All right, Congressman, thanks for being with us. You are a Harvard-trained lawyer. I understand that you were a military prosecutor as well. I mean, is there any hope for getting the truth out of the IRS?
Well, Judge, it's very difficult when you have so many people pleading the Fifth Amendment. What we were able to do, at least on Friday, is have a vote on our committee about Lois Lerner, because what she tried to do when she came was proclaim her innocence. She made about 9 factual statements trying to exonerate herself, and then she said she wasn't going to answer questions on cross-examination. So we think she waived her right under the Fifth Amendment, which you can do because you're not allowed to pull stunts like that. So we voted that, and I think we're going to bring her back, and we'll see what she has to do. But I think what in your statement that you made is exactly kind of what I feel, having been in Washington for 7 months, is that people commit misconduct within this bureaucracy, and there's zero accountability. You can go in front of a congressional committee, take the Fifth Amendment, and you don't even lose your job. You get reassigned, and you continue to get paid. And it's just very frustrating because I think the American people don't believe that there's any accountability in Washington.
And Congressman, Lois Lerner, who's on the screen right now, not only does she keep her job, she's not working. And she's getting paid, and she's in line for one of those bonuses, and I understand she's gotten 6-figure bonuses. I mean, how does that strike you? The woman who is managing the targeting of conservatives and Tea Party individuals is in line for a 6-figure bonus.
Well, it's obviously unacceptable. I mean, these bonuses with the IRS for the whole organization have gotten completely out of hand. They really have shown a contempt for the taxpayer. I mean, here they are. They have immense power, and yet they treat the American people, in ways that I think are just completely unacceptable. So look, she's going to have to make a decision about coming and speaking with us. If she still refuses to testify, then our committee is going to have to act in one way or another, perhaps holding her in contempt of Congress. But this is completely unacceptable that she would be pleading the Fifth after having attacked other people's First Amendment rights, and yet now is continuing to get paid and getting a bonus.
All right. Congressman DeSantis, thanks so much for being with us this evening, and good luck to you after 7 months. Good luck. Thank you.